Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of language learning and uncovering some top-notch strategies to help you accelerate your progress. If you're ready to take your language skills to the next level, hit that like button and let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure you've subscribed to our channel so you never miss out on our language learning adventures. Learning a new language might seem like a daunting task, but fear not, with the right approach, dedication, and a sprinkle of fun, you can conquer it faster than you think. Tip number 1, set clear goals. There is power in setting clear goals. First things first, set those goals. Why are you learning this language? Is it for travel, work, or simply personal enrichment? Write down your goals, stick them somewhere you'll see every day, and watch your motivation skyrocket. Tip number 2, immersion. Immersion is simply jumping in at the deep end and trying to communicate in the language that you are learning. This is the time-tested magic ingredient for language learning success. Ask any baby. Immerse yourself in the language by changing your phone settings, watching movies, listening to music, and reading books, all in your target language. The more you surround yourself with it, the faster you'll pick it up. Tip number 3, practice, practice, practice. Consistency is key. Instead of marathon study sessions, aim for daily short practice sessions. Language learning apps like Duolingo and Memrise offer interactive exercises that suit different learning styles, helping you build your skills step by step. Tip number 4, just say it. Learn to speak with confidence. Don't be shy, speak up. Speaking the language out loud, even when you're alone, improves your pronunciation and boosts your confidence. Start with simple sentences and work your way up. Tip number 5, join a community. Connect with fellow language learners and native speakers. Language exchange partners and online communities provide opportunities to practice and receive feedback. Remember, the journey is more fun when shared. Tip number 6, use mnemonics. Unlock your creative side with mnemonics. Create connections between new words and things you already know. This helps cement vocabulary in your memory and makes learning more enjoyable. Tip number 7, immersion through social media is another good way to learn. Lights, camera, action. Tune into movies, TV shows, and videos in your chosen language. Start with subtitles in your native language, then switch to the target language as you become more comfortable. Tip number 8, find out more about the culture. Learning about a people's culture leads to cultural enrichment. Language and culture go hand in hand. Dive into the culture associated with your target language. Understanding customs and nuances will not only enhance your communication, but also give you a deeper appreciation for the language. Tip number 9, stay positive and be persistent. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is fluency. Tip number 10, celebrate every step you take. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and maintain a positive mindset. Tip number 11, stay patient, keep practicing, and you'll watch your language skills bloom. And there you have it, language warriors. Your journey to mastering a new language just got a whole lot more exciting. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow learners. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking those languages. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep up the fantastic work, and happy language learning. Thanks for watching another kitwareonline.com presentation.